Hi, it's Jason here from DroneWorks. A quick video to show you what you get when you order a condition survey report with one of our drone surveys. So you'll get two things. Firstly is a PDF report, which you can view offline and share with other people. This has links back to the inspection portal, but for every defect recorded, you will see an overview image, a detailed image, a title, category and description, and also a link to Google Maps to show you exactly where on the building that defect has been located. So you'll get one of those per defect. And then right down at the bottom, you'll get the summary, which details the overview of the findings and any recommendations. Now, this is all good, but we're using really high-powered images, and they get filtered down, they get reduced down to fit into a PDF, so you kind of lose the detail. And this is where the inspection portal comes in. All of these defects are originally created in the inspection portal, where our surveyor will view your site in 3D and in detailed 2D images and mark up and categorize and comment on any issues found. So that same summary that you saw at the footer of the report shows up here when you load the inspection portal. And then there's a few different ways of how you can see your defects. So firstly, you'll be able to view your site in 3D. This gives you really good context of the site, also allows you to take measurements and see what's going on. Now, on first glance, straight away, you can see all these colored pointers, these colored dots are showing you where the defects have been identified, and these are exactly the same ones that are shown in the report. So you can simply just click on one of these to view the detailed 2D inspection image. You can view the area of interest that's been highlighted, and you can also view the category, the severity, and the surveyor's comments and recommendations. So you can flick through each of one of those in turn, and as you do so, the model should orientate to that image. Now, the other way you can do it is if you click down on this list down here, you can see a list of all the issues identified, and you can click through them in turn up here. So it depends how you like to work, it's totally down to you. But if you just want to log in and see where are the problems, you can view them on the map and view them in the list. One final way is if you click to the 2D view, we also create a highly detailed 2D map called an orthomosaic. So when we zoom in here, you can see on the outer edges is the actual Google Map background. It's quite blurry and not very detailed. In the middle is our map created from the drone images, and you can zoom in and see here, this is actually quite high detail compared to Google, but it gives you a 2D plan view of where all your issues are. And same again, you can click on them and flick through them. Now, the beauty of all of this is that now it's in the portal, it's interactive, so you can view everything in the original detail. You can share it with your client, with contractors, and contractors in particular can make use of this because it enables them to give you an accurate quote for repairs without any guesswork, and therefore removes the risk from their costing and hopefully should enable them to give you a most accurate cost for the repairs of any issues found. But all in all, this platform really helps take our drone data to the next level, makes it interactive. We don't just want it to sit on someone's hard drive somewhere, we want you to make use of it, and that's what this is for. So I hope that helps. Any questions, let us know, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.